This is the Poco M6 Pro, newly released phone 2024, and a very super budget friendly phone, but at performing of like a mid-tier phone. So it's we'll come to the pricing at the end of the video, but nonetheless, let's talk about the phone itself. So the front side of the phone, it's 120 Hz of screen, AMOLED display, and 1300 nits of max brightness. Also, it's got the under display fingerprint sensor, the optical one, and the camera is 16 MP. Now looking at the side of the phones, on the top you will have a speaker. Basically it's a dual speaker, so at the front, at the top and at the bottom, and also the mic is dual mic at the top and at the bottom. It's good for stereo recording. Also, it's got the IR blaster to control the you can say the AC, the TV, and also got the headphone jack. So it's very rare these days. Now at the bottom of the phone you will have a Type-C charging port, 2.0 and 34 watts I believe fast charging. At the side SIM card tray where you can use 2 SIMs, and either you can also go for 1 SIM and micro SD, and on the other side is just a volume rocker and a power button. Now coming to the back side of the phone, there is a triple camera setup with 64 MP as the main camera, OIS. The ultra wide is 8 MP and a small 2 MP macro lens if you want to get a close-up shot, and a tiny LED flash also. And it's got also 5000 mAh battery, so paired up with this battery and 33 watts of fast charging, it's a win-win situation basically. It's also got NFC, so you can purchase your groceries and all using the phone, no need to take your card. And lastly, it's IP54 rated, so yeah, you can take some videos while it's a little showering, light rain. Now coming to the internals, is it's got the Helio G99 Ultra chipset with the RAM from 8GB to 12GB, and also the internal storage from 256GB to 512GB. UFS 2.2, so it's pretty decent, fast. You can play like PUBG games and all this stuff in this phone. It won't disappoint. Now finally, for the software side, this phone comes like MIUI 14 out of the box. Probably the update is on the way for the Xiaomi Hyper OS, which is the latest software being distributed worldwide. So it's also gonna come into this phone, and it's got some two, you can say, additional apps. That is the FM radio, definitely because of the headphone jack, and the Mi remote, where you can program and control your other electronic devices using this phone. So the phone comes in 3 colors, that is the blue, purple and black, and the price of this phone is about $200, which is a good performance phone at this price range. Well, that's it for the Poco M6 Pro. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs. To purchase this phone, link in the description below. And yeah, if you want part 2 of this phone, meaning doing the camera and the video test day and night, let me know in the comment section below. So catch you guys in the next one.